This is the video guide dedicated to help you in getting rid of the pop-up windows coming from the website flashymess.com. flashymess.com. As you can clearly see, this pop-up is presented in the German language, even though it may be formalized in English, French, and other European languages. The pop-up is presented as some human verification alert. It says that you need to click on allow if you are not a robot. But in reality, whenever people agree with this proposal and click on the allow button, they start experiencing a lot of problems. First, they may be forwarded to some other questionable content, plus they may start facing ads that will be displayed in the right bottom part of the Windows computer screen. So you should stay away from clicking on that allow button. And now you need to fix your browser if the allow button was clicked by mistake. So go to the menu of your browser, go to settings, scroll down to the special area named privacy and security, click on site settings. Then in permissions choose notifications and carefully examine the allow area. You'll find some websites that may cause troubles on your computer screen, so be sure to get rid of them from the allow section. And as you see, while we remove these sites, these ads in the right part are getting blocked, so which is a good thing. So after you remove these ads from browser, I recommend you to consider checking your computer additionally with a combo cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com. Then after the software is downloaded and installed, start the application and begin the direct analysis of your computer to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.